Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm from the YouTube channel Nature Artists and the new online art school called Fairy Art School, which you can find at fairyartschool.com. Our website is online video courses on creating miniature fairy furniture and houses and woodland characters from natural materials and found objects. And we have currently on our website one set that is 6 pieces called the Fairy Princess Bedroom Set, and you can sign up for that class as a set, but we're also offering all of the pieces in that set as individual classes. So this is one of the pieces. It's a Fairy Princess bed made from natural materials, and it will be available to learn how to make with unlimited access, lifetime access, so you can always watch the class at any time as long as you want. So now you'll be able to watch a few minutes of the beginning of this class, how to make the Fairy Princess bed, to give you an idea what it's like and how we teach. And then if you're interested, you can go to our website, fairyartschool.com, to actually sign up for the whole class. Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm going to teach you today how to make this beautiful little fairy princess bed out of moss and flowers and twigs. And I wanted to show you some of the materials that we'll be using. Branches, you can use any kind of branches that you can find, and they can be thin if you want it to be more of a delicate bed, or thicker for kind of a thicker bed or sturdier bed. Grapevine tendrils or any kind of tendrils. Moss, we kind of take the moss and roll it up like this to have it ready ahead of time, and then cardboard for the framework of the bed, little seed pods or little berries. These are sumac, I think, and then different kinds of flowers, and that's about it. And the tools that we use are just pruners and scissors and a glue gun and glue sticks, so it's pretty basic and easy. So once you have all of your materials gathered and prepared, you can start making the bed. And I've pre-cut these, but you don't have to do that. You can just choose the materials you want and then get started. And the way I usually make a bed is I make the framework first, and this is the headboard, and part of it is the framework of the bed. So you just put the glue on, and this takes a little time, and you can actually set it down like this if you don't want to try to hold it while you're gluing, and just kind of make sure that they're even. And you can kind of set that aside. Mainly you want to have these level so that the bed will stand up okay. And then the same thing with the footboard. You can turn it different ways, or figure out how you want the direction of the branches. And it's a good idea to use more glue than less, because you don't want it to fall apart. So, and just kind of move it around. And the only problem with gluing things this way is it can stick to the cardboard or whatever you're working on, so you kind of have to keep kind of moving it around and add more glue. Excuse me. And just check it. This one needs a little more glue, because you can always cover the glue up. So, and just kind of hold it like that, and maybe we can set this aside while we get the other branches ready. I've cut out a piece of cardboard that will go on the frame itself, and then you'll add moss and then the flowers, but you can make it all out of branches if you want. So let's see how this is. It's fairly sturdy, but you can turn it over and add more glue. And same with this piece. It actually is better to set it down because it sets by itself. So then what we need to do is hold these apart, and you can kind of see how long you want the bed to be. So that's about right. You can make it any size or design or style you want, anything like that. And then you just kind of hold it there while you, it's sort of a balancing act kind of to get it started, but we'll put some glue on here. But you don't have to make your pieces the way we teach you. We're just giving you some ideas. So if you find an easier way for yourself, that's great, but whatever works for you. Okay, that'll go, I think. And then you just add some glue. Don't worry about using lots of glue. Okay, and then we'll find another branch. And if you don't have your branches pre-cut, which you probably wouldn't because you're going to make a piece from scratch, then you can make them whatever size. Okay, you can make the whole framework out of branches if you don't want to use the cardboard. This is just a little faster because it won't show, but if you don't want to use that, you can just glue these along there or glue them along there like that, because you need something flat to glue everything onto. But I think to speed things up a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and use the cardboard. So you just run some glue along like that, and if you might want to have it a little longer to fit the bed. So you just make sure it's glued on really well, and just be careful not to burn yourself because the glue is pretty hot. Okay, so that part is done, and then what we're going to do is, so I hope you enjoyed the few minutes of this video course to kind of give you an idea what it's like. So to watch the rest of the video on this class, just click on the link below, and it'll take you right to this class where you can sign up, and then just go to the link at the top, the category at the top, where it says all the courses, and you can see all the rest of the classes that we have. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.